foodies, welcome back to Food Junkies. Today we are diving into the world of exotic noodles from around the globe. Whether you're a noodle enthusiast or just looking to spice up your meals, you are in for a treat. From the spicy, savory bowls of Asia to unique takes on pasta. We have got it all. So grab your chopstick, forks or spoon and let's explore these one of a kind noodle dishes together. Let's get started. For that, take a pan, add oil, green chili paste, ginger paste and saute it well. Afterward, add dark soya sauce, vinegar, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, ketchup sauce, Szechuan sauce and mix it well. After that, you can add the veggies, purple cabbage, red bell pepper, broccoli and saute it well. You can add veggies of your own choice. As we know, India is known for its rich culinary heritage and diverse regional flavors, has embraced noodles in many forms, blending them with local spices and ingredients to create unique exotic dishes. While traditional noodle dishes like chow mein have become popular due to Chinese influence, India has put its own twist on noodles in incorporating vibrant spices, herbs, and regional ingredients that makes them truly unique. One of the most popular noodle dishes in India is Hakka noodles, which originated from Chinese immigrants but is now deeply rooted in Indian cuisine. This dish features stir-fried noodles mixed with vegetables like cabbage, bell peppers and cabbage along with soy sauce and Indian spices, often served with a spicy tangy sauce or alongside a crispy spring roll. Hakka noodles have become a staple in many Indian households and restaurants. Another Indian favorite is masala noodles, which is simple yet flavorful. Take on instant noodles. The noodles are often cooked with a mixture of aromatic spices like cumin seed, coriander powder, and turmeric powder, along with vegetables like peas, onions, and tomatoes. It's a comforting and quick dish enjoyed as an evening snack or light meal, with every region adding its own variation. Thukpa, a noodle soup that originated in Tibet, has also found a place in Indian cuisine, particularly in the northeastern states. It's a warming and comforting dish with noodles in a clear, savory broth, often flavored with garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Vegetables like cabbage, carrots, and bell peppers are added, and it can also include tofu or paneer for a vegetarian twist. This hearty soup is perfect for cold weather and is often enjoyed as a meal on its own. In southern India, kotu paratho, though not exactly noodles, deserves mention. It involves stirring up parotha, a flaky Indian flatbread, and stir frying it with vegetables, spices, and sometimes noodles. This dish is particularly popular in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, showcasing how noodles and Indian flatbreads can be combined in exotic ways. Exotic noodles in India are a beautiful representation of the country's ability to blend global influences with its own culinary traditions. From street food staples like Hakka noodles to comfort food like masala noodles, this dish offers a perfect balance of flavors, textures, and spices. With regional variations and fusion influences, Indian noodles continue to evolve, offering something for every palate. Whether you enjoy these spicy, savory, or in comforting broth, Indian style exotic noodles are a testament to the country's dynamic and ever changing food culture. Here we are, halfway from making delicious and fabulous exotic noodles. After adding broccoli, and other veggies. Add baby corn, basil leaves and saute it properly. Afterwards, add white pepper, salt and mix it properly. Add the boiled noodles, stir it well. Garnish with some sesame seeds. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey from around the world. I hope you're feeling inspired to try something new in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more food adventures. Let me know in the comment which noodle dish you are most excited to try. Until next time, happy eating!